Let's go ahead and get started with the intro. The intro is 2 sets of 8. We will show you a demonstration to start. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this dance starts towards the back of the dance floor. The leader is going to be on the left, the follower is going to be on the right, and we're going to take about 4 or 5 counts to walk in towards one another. So on the first count, we're going to register the beat, listen to the music. On count 2, we start walking, 2, 3, 4. Now once we're close enough to arm's reach, both the leader and the follower are going to join their right hands in just a simple hand hold. Then we continue walking around clockwise, and once the leader faces the left side of the floor or from where they came from, they're going to stop their momentum, and both leader and follower are going to take their left arm over their head to join that arm. Now once we're here, again, leader stops moving, but the follower is going to keep walking around the leader clockwise. We call this our matador circle. So the follower walks around, 2, 3, 4, and as you notice, Nick's right hand is now above their head. So we're going to do 1 extra turn in that hand. Now the left hand is crossed over the right, so we're going to loop both those arms over the leader's head to come into a hug position. Once we are in this hug position, Nick and I just put our foreheads together just to have a little bit more of an intimate moment before we start swaying.